dish with mushroom and potato gnocchi. I had to look up the right pronouncing of this word, and these, see what it looks like. They're little pasta round ovals made out of potatoes, and the Italians use it a lot in their dishes. I love it. I use it a lot too with my pasta dishes. So tonight I am making chicken, mushroom, gnocchi and sour cream. Let's start cooking. I'm going to start by mincing our garlic. I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mince them all up. I will cut them in cubes, just like that. So, it's our onions, our mushrooms, and our chicken. I'm using 2 breast fillets and 2 thigh pieces. So for the chicken, I will cut them in cubes. Okay, I'm going to transfer my chicken into this big bowl so it's easier for me to mix it through. I am going to start with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then I'll add about 1 teaspoon of black pepper and some salt. Our chicken good mix. Right, in our pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and we will brown our chicken. So feel free to add. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of all-purpose flour. So altogether I have added 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of black pepper with 1 teaspoon of salt. That's just to season our chicken. We're now going to add it to the pan and we will brown our chicken. As well, if you like, probably about 20 grams of butter to give it a nice flavor. 20 grams of butter. Okay, we're going to add our chicken back in the pot. Potato gnocchi in the pot. Not sure if you can see, but it's starting to boil now. The pot's starting to boil. So that means it's ready now to drain and add it to our dish. I am not going to tip this water out. I'm going to use that to add to our liquid for our dish. Our dish smells really nice. The smell of the mushroom, the butter, and just the flavouring of salt and pepper and garlic. So good. Sorry everyone, the camera went off. I didn't realise it wasn't recording. But what I've added to the dish, I've added our potato gnocchi back into the dish, and then I added 3 tablespoons of sour cream as well as 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for the colour. So 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce I added, and some of the water here that I used to cook the potato gnocchi on the stove. So I'm boiling it or simmering for about a few minutes, and then we'll turn it off. That's what it looks like. That's the colour I want. But let's plate it and we will taste it and see what it tastes like. This is our completed dish. Our chicken, mushroom and gnocchi. I am serving it with rice and some steamed corn with butter on the corn. Let's taste our meal. Just sprinkle some parsley on top, but it's nice without parsley too, so it's yummy with parsley. Yum. So that's our dinner for tonight and our dish. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Thank you for tuning in and for stopping by. Take care, be safe. Thanks for watching. See you later.